Hey guys, this is Steve from JUCY Australia here. Thank you for choosing us as your camper van provider. Today we're going to show you the ins and outs of your camper van, your home away from home. So let's go check it out.
Water pump switch and voltmeter shows how many volts are in the house battery. USB charging ports and outlet for cigarette lighter type connections. Magnet LED lights are operated by a switch on the side of the light and have replaceable AAA batteries. Magnetically attach the curtain to metal surfaces of the window surround. Magnetically attach the bug curtain to metal surfaces of the window. Undo elastic hinge to open main kitchen storage and cooker. Portable cooker included with vehicle. Main gas canister located to the side of the portable cooker. Open the cartridge cover, slide the gas cartridge in with the top end first and the notch up to the compartment. After fitting canister in place, lock it down as shown. Push and turn the knob to the anti-clockwise until a click is heard. Turn the ignition knob to off, wait until the flame is extinguished and set the cartridge lock lever to unload and remove. Position metal tray on top as shown before closing the unit. Cooking equipment. Cutlery drawer. Fridge. Storage for mugs and glasses. Fire extinguisher. Hose and waste management storage. Kitchen sink. Squeeze the trigger to activate the water pump and flow of water. Main waste system located under dining area seat. To empty the wastewater from the sink basin, attach the hose and pull the handle. When the tank is empty, shut the valve, remove the hose and rinse. The water tank is located under the left dining seat. Here is the plug to fill the tank with water. After filling, ensure the plug is firmly screwed in to prevent leakage. The toilet is stored under the safe and is held in place by an elastic cord. There is space in front of the side seats to position the toilet at night. To unlock the safe, elevate the table and unlock the padlock. Push the knob, remove the padlock and turn the knob to the right. Take off all cushioning and wooden panels underneath. Open the hinged seat to the vertical position against the tabletop. Connect base panels to dining table. Bend the top part down on the left and right. Lift the middle table up and tuck the left and right seat base underneath the middle table. Press down on the middle table to see if it is secured. Make sure the plywood is flat and secured. Put weight on the left and right side of each plywood so it is firm. Ensure the squab with the 4 Velcro tabs is placed in the middle. Place the cushions back on top of the setup, undoing the Velcro strips. Ensure you secure all 4 Velcros together so the bed squabs are all in one. Always ensure the sink is covered and wiped before placing squabs on the bed. Place seat backing cushion to the head of the bed setup. Pull this lever to open up the fuel cap. Turn key to turn vehicle on and start. Indicators, headlights, windscreen wipers, stereo controllers, handbrake, gear, stick, GPS and reversing camera.